So class 5th, yesterday I have told you about the adverb and today we will do the exercise related to the adverb. Unit 6, chapter adverb. So worksheet 1. Read the following sentence. Read the following sentences. The participant danced gracefully. The driver dropped the bus carefully. Mr. Verma left for Kanpur early. She narrated the story later. The meeting was held here. So now answer these questions in one word. And now we have to answer these questions in one word. How did the participant dance? Gracefully. How did the driver drive the bus? Carefully. When did Mr. Verma leave for Kanpur? Early. When did she narrate the story? Later. Where was the meeting held? Here. All the words you have written to answer following when and where tell us something more about the verbs in the sentence. अब आपने जो भी आंसर दिए या तो वो हाउ when या where से स्टार्ट हुए हैं वो क्वेश्चन, इसका मतलब एडवर्ब हमें बताता है when कब, where कहाँ, हाउ कैसे, कब कहाँ और कैसे कोई चीज़ होती है तो वो हमें कैसे पता चलती है, वो हमें पता चलती है एडवर्ब के थ्रू. नाउ worksheet 2. Read this conversation and underline the words that tell us where the action take place. Now it is a conversation and we have to underline it where the action takes place. Mr. Kothari, Mr. Sood was supposed to come. Has he come? Raghu, yes sir, he is waiting for you downstairs. तो इसमें हाँ पोजीशन क्या है? Downstairs. Mr. Kothari, I have to discuss with him something important. Where is my briefcase? Now the briefcase की position बताएंगे. Raghu, pointing to the briefcase, it is here sir. Here. Here पे underline करेंगे. Mr. Kothari, and where are my glasses? Raghu, I don't know sir. I have looked for them everywhere, but I can't find them. They are everywhere. Mr. Kothari, thank you. You have underlined the words that tell us where the action take place. These words are called एडवर्ब. हमने जो भी अंडरलाइन करे हैं एक्शंस की कहाँ कहाँ हुए हैं, वेयर एक्शन टेक्स प्लेस, तो ये जो वर्ड हमारे क्या कहला रहे हैं? एडवर्ब. एंड नाउ वी विल डू द एक्सरसाइज. वर्कशीट 3. On the basis of the picture given on the next page, complete the sentence. Take help from the ad box. The first one has been done for you. Bitterly, bravely, cheerfully, sweetly, angrily, peacefully. These all are adverb. और पीछे जो नेक्स्ट पेज यानी पेज नंबर 48 पे जो पिक्चर दी गई है हमें उसमें इनको फिल करना है. बिटरली का मतलब होता है बहुत ज़्यादा तेज तेज रोना या फूट फूट कर रोना. ब्रेवली बहादुरी, चेयरफुली बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से, स्वीटली बहुत ही प्यारी आवाज़, एंग्रीली बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा, पीसफुली शांतिपूर्वक. सो नाउ वी विल डू द एक्सरसाइज रिलेटेड टू दिस एड बॉक्स ऑन पेज नंबर 48. The man is shouting. The first one as it is the example angrily. The boys greeted each other cheerfully. बहुत खुशी से मिले हैं ना. The girl is crying bitterly. फूट फूट कर रो रही है bitterly. The child is sleeping peacefully. The soldier fought bravely. Anita is singing sweetly. Now the words that you have used to fill in the blanks tell us how the action take place. They are all adverbs. जो अभी आपने जो ये words पढ़े हैं angrily, cheerfully, bitterly, peacefully, bravely, sweetly, ये बता रहे हैं कि how कैसे वो action हुआ है. जैसे shouting कैसे करी? गुस्से में चिल्लाया है. मिले कैसे? cheerfully मिले. गर्ल रोई कैसे? कि bitterly रोई है, मतलब फूट फूट कर रोई है. The child is sleeping, बच्चा कैसे सो रहा है? पीसफुली. तो ये बता रहा है कैसे ये एक्शन हो रहा है ना. तो ये क्या हो गया आपके एडवर्ब. नाउ मूव टू द नेक्स्ट पेज नंबर 49. वर्कशीट 4. Unscramble the letters given below. One has been done as an example. Here are unscramble. You all know letters are not in their proper order, so you have to put it in in a proper order. So make a word. So already, late, ago, on, before, soon. Now worksheet 5. Now use the unscrambled words from the previous worksheet to fill in the blanks given below. One has been done for you. So ये अभी हमने जो स्क्रैम्बल किए थे लेटर, अनस्क्रैम्बल को स्क्रैम्बल किया था, अभी इनको ही यूज़ करके हमें फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स फिल करने हैं. So I read the story before. We must begin our work now. won or own, and you can also write now. Okay, N-O-W, now. She arrived late. I have already done my homework. There lived a prince a long time ago. The train will be arriving soon. So now, late, already, ago, soon, before, the words you have filled in the blanks tells us when the action take place. These words are also adverb. ये भी हमारे adverb, ये हमें बता रहे हैं कि action जो है ये जो कब हुआ है, ये चीज़ें, ये action कब place हुआ, मतलब ना हुआ, अभी हुआ है, later हुआ है, already हो चुका है, soon जल्दी हो चुका है, तो ये actions बता रहे हैं. तो dear children, पेज नंबर 49 तक हमने किया है, and the remaining part is page number 50, 51, 52 and 53 we will do in our next class. So till then, have a nice day. Thank you.